Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Emmanuel Oromijus Mouth, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. And this evening, as the Spirit leads, I have joined the program of today. If you are my ardent follower here, you need to follow me on YouTube. Also follow Nation Channels TV on YouTube. Nation Channels TV on YouTube. That is my backup. I go get many YouTube now because I know say this thing where we dey no be easy thing. It is the struggle for Biafra. I never for once thought that it will be easy. I never for once thought that it will be easy. The struggle for Biafra, it is for all of us. And when you are fighting in the right direction, just expect a fight back. They are going to fight you. And once they start fighting you, just know that what you are doing is yielding fruit. So today, I countered the Nwanyi Ogiri. Nwanyi Ogiri na Nnewi. The one Ogiri buru nne, Ogiri biri nne ya, the disease nne area where I countered the Nwanyi Ogiri. He was on Facebook saying that Simon Ekpa, telling people, oh, look at Simon. Look at the voice that he have countered with Bute. I was thinking to hear. Share this very program, please. You need to share it widely because the program now is between me and you, the lovers of truth, and to share widely so that it will get wider coverage. And do well to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel because that is where the main thing it is being done. Subscribe to Remedios TV or equally subscribe Remedios TV and equally subscribe to Nation Channels TV. Nation Channels TV. Nation Channels TV. That one, I just opened that one today. As days go by, we need to create more YouTube, write them down, because what we are doing is evangelism. I expect them to fight back. So I was heading into Ogiri Burunia was put something today that Simon Ekpa, he even used Simon Ekpa's picture. This is the man Okoko that once you use his picture, he will go and complain. What he did today confirmed that he is having a Sokosko spirit. He used Simon Ekpa's picture. And to tell you that Simon Ekpa is civil, he doesn't report anybody's page and he doesn't close your page. He allows your page so that you will run your mouth and become Epomemenaskosko. You run your mouth, it doesn't concern him. What concerns him is to get the freedom that all of us desire. That is the only thing that concerns him. So he put Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government, in exile's picture today. I'm talking about Bute and Simon Ekpa. I was thinking that this guy, Truga TV, have been disabled, please. It have been disabled. Please, just know that I am broadcasting from BTV, that is Biafra Television. This is the complete background. Even this background is even more civil and fine. This is their BTV. So they have given me and welcomed me to BTV. And I am broadcasting from BTV. Let us move, please. So I watched his Nkoeri today. He was playing an audio. That audio happened many years ago. That was when PM Simon Ekpa was trying to hold the ground. That was at the beginning, before the advent. And one thing that I love in the voice that Opontu played today is that right from time, he gave you an insight, right from time, Master Simon Ekpa have been trying very hard to cater for the men on the ground. I thought he said he is a leader of the criminals. And in the voice that he played today, what played out in the voice is that Mazi Simon Ekpa was telling Butuzo and the men on the ground how he have been able to advance. Go and carry LPG. Go and carry GPS or GPS. Go and carry LPG. GPS go and carry it. I have sent it. And Butuzo was happy. That was the advent of this very struggle. That was when Caterpillar was looking for money. It was Caterpillar because Caterpillar was there. It was Caterpillar that leaked that audio. Caterpillar and that girl again. In case na yo na awa mbo. Na yo na awa men mbo. Mbo aha. Ke ihe a na-akpọ ke ihe akwa nwa. Caterpillar na akwa nwa. It was them that leaked that particular audio. Doing a double standard. Abweba. But in the audio, I wanted to hear if that criminality, as Simon Ekpa a criminal, I want to hear that criminal. And in the audio that happened many years ago, he played it, is it today or yesterday? But today is when I watch it. I wanted to hear the criminality of Simon Ekpa. But what he was ordering is that go and carry the LPG. Okay, men complain. Okay, I have taken notes. It will be addressed. It will be addressed. Oh yeah, you people should go and parade so that we cool political tension. We are taking over this and that. As many years ago, this man have been able to show that he have one leadership quality. It is applaudable. That was at the same time that he played that voice today to show you that Simon Ekpa have been trying for a very long time. He played it today, thinking that he is going to run propaganda against Master Simon Ekpa so that he will bring him down. But that voice equally vindicated Simon Ekpa. Because he, Ikenga, as at that time, was lying to people. He was throwing lies. Oh, Simon Ekpa, a Nigerian agent. Why do you? But today, he is no longer a Nigerian agent. It is Legono voice Oja Abaka Alibo. In the voice of Mazen Namdekano, he said, even Mazen Simon Ekpa made it categorically clear. Na yo ye tiri Nigeria, even na yo tiri hona all the difficulty at all a beast, tiri Nigeria. Go and look at what beast does. He made it open. He doesn't hide it. That whatever it takes to tiri the obodo man, he will do it. But can you people, all of you, can you make good of your own threats? Can you make good of your own threats? You want to Ogiri bụ ihe pịagburu nne gị na ọ dịghị o doro onye ọbụla anya na Ogiri bụ ihe gburu nne gị. Ushi Ogiri biri ya ọrịa ya arịa nwụọ. You okpontu that is in the business of reporting account and closing account. Agwara m n'ụnụ na nke ikpeazụ a ọmụ na ụnụ unclose mepe unclose mepe close mepe close mepe close mepe close mepe. I need the musician here tiri anyị egwu a. Close mepe close mepe close mepe ọmụ na ụnụ. You was even swindling people. Shouting, Simon Ekperima, Simon working for Tinubu today. You are the one working for that Tinubu. And you are playing a voice that you have said that Simon, you lied to us, that Simon Ekperima. But today you are playing a voice of Simon to show us that Simon have been planning with his boys, LPG, GPS, Ibadi Alibo, which shows that he makes good his threats, that he will turn to a beast to devour Nigeria, and at the end, Biafra will come. I do not be for the people saying, oh, stop saying that you do not support violence. If you are watching me here and you don't know the antics of media, you get out, please. I read that nonsense on Twitter, where somebody is saying it is a red flag for you. What is in your mind is not what I will do. I don't support violence on this very platform. Violence of any shape or form. However, I support the freedom and self-defense of Biafra people. Each other close to this Facebook, in the name of each other here, then they will win. If you are in media and you make this thing, you need to differentiate it that you do not support violence. That is the antic that you sign here. Otherwise, they will shut you down every place. Otherwise, they will shut you down every place that you are making threats and threats. I don't support violence of any type, shape, or form. However, I support the right for the people to defend themselves. It is an international right. Please note it. I am a man of religious. So, nke Ogiri gburu nne, you played that voice today. Can you please show us that thing that you said that he's a Nigerian agent? Show us the connection of Nigerian agent. You know, go see I know OTD Nigeria. Nigeria of agents. Have you seen that propaganda at a time will disappoint you because all of you are not genuine? What all of you are good at is shouting Simon. He say nobody. Oh, that ofeke in Finland. Onye na-akpọ mmadụ ofeke. The person ị na-akpọ ofeke ama ago. Ịgba na camera. Set a camera. Na-akpọ the person ofeke. Tomorrow, ịgba camera. Dome the camera. Na-akpọ the person ofeke. Next tomorrow, ịgba camera. T camera. Na-akpọ the person ofeke. You and the person who is ofeke. Because somebody that you talk about always is an important person. All of you gara na ego. Filie na Biafra ya anwụ. Ka ata Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ahụ. Did you notice that even Maazị Nnamdi Kanu now, the High Court or whatever, have turned it down, that the court, I told you people, the only thing that can release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is what Simon Ekpa is doing, otherwise he will never be released. All of the DOS and all of these people, they work together. All of these people, they work together. When I see what are they calling the name of that fake native doctor in Anam? In case you are a native doctor, na Anam, leading Nigeria army. This is what they do. When I heard Chicken Edozionu telling you people that he have given Eastern Security Network for the governors for payments, and you look at the Eastern Security Network, commanders then, they have now become a bubago, and our people are crying over a bubago, and they themselves that are telling you that your brother have applied under a bubago. The people that gave those governors, the people that you applied your brother, you are there supporting them. You can never recover from Skosko if you support DOS, who is a bubago. Hey, Bubago Burumanem, but I am a member of DOS. We will show a Bubago. Who is going to show a Bubago? Whereas DOS commanders are the commanders of a Bubago. In who name is Kosko? For you to recover from Ofeke. For you to recover from Ofeke. It's not this today thing. It's not today's thing. So I love that thing that he played. If those of his followers have brain, they should be asking him, but you played this voice of, this guy have equally played it. The guy that I retired. They said, oh, I will fade away and go away. But they watch, I am not fading away. So they said it is content that I'm creating, so it's a job. The next thing is to frustrate that account. Truly, that account feeds me. Because I'm in Israel, everything here I put them public. It doesn't matter your propaganda lies and deceits. But I do not come in the struggle for Biafra for anything. I come for the struggle of Biafra. Data nego ebe onwe onye nwe data ego ole nego. Ịgbari ego na consume na data in Nigerian currency, all this ụmụ okoko na akọiri akọiri. Ịgbari ego na consume in data in Nigerian currency, on apota 200 and something thousand. You don't give it to me. Monthly, 200 and something thousand. That is what I spend. You don't give it to me. If I tell you how data ntiri, data 5,000 ntiri ọkwa nwanne ụnyaa gụrụ n'abalị ụnyaa, nke a na-eyuzu kwe na aba another 5,000 and ọ bụkwa naira, not naira. So what I am into is for the freedom of the Biafra people. So in Ogiri Budunne, I waited to hear that criminality of Simon. I never see. I did not see. Please, you people should go and subscribe to Remigius TV on YouTube. Subscribe to Dot Nations Channel TV. Dot Nations Channels TV on YouTube also. Please make sure that you subscribe in the two, no matter which way that they come. I go nowhere. Freedom is not a easy thing. I listened to Opontu very well. The thing that he was playing, oh, look at Simon Ekpa is doing this. I listened to the Opontu Nwanyi Ogiri. To notice the criminality of Simon, behold, lo and behold, I did not see in all of the listening to notice the criminality. Simon Ekpa have become a criminal and this. I did not notice anything. Just to tell you that these people are good at propaganda, lies and deceits. They run propaganda to your face for a very long time just because they see you people as more. I talk about their followers. They see them as a moo. They buru battery have put a share battery setting so that even if you return the battery there will be nowhere for the battery to be in. Next time upon to bring the voice that will make Simon Ekpa a Nigerian agent. At least play the voice where so far you have a power of collecting voice. Collect voice, you know politicians. Collect voice where he is discussing with politicians to sell Biafra struggle. After calling him a Nigerian agent, you are playing a voice where he is planning with his men on how to bring down Nigeria. So you are vindicating him that he is not a Nigerian agent. Rather, you are the person that is a Nigerian agent. You are the person that is a Nigerian agent. Ndi imane Remigius, jide. These people share my picture, even in all the borders. Nagazilekwe kanshiaga. Imane Remigius will lack Oshiaga. Abi, you think so they know they tell me. Now the same people now give something, now then they tell me waiting they happen. Now the same money I go pay them pass. Una think so una wise. Una wise abi. Ha. Even among them, my paddies are in India. You they pay my paddies to catch me. Is it possible? Is it possible? And you thought that you are wise. You thought that you are wise. I am a man of Remigius. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. If you call Simon Ekpa a Nigerian agent or agent of this thing and that, bring evidence that will convince Biafra people. You cannot be praising politicians. Praising politicians everywhere, hallelujah, every 4 years now, as they are now winding up for another campaign. Anatego every 4 years, anatego. Go nwegi no nwegi, aburu batarege. Na you are not getting any money from them. You are there shouting DOS, wise, DOS, wise, anerigi. How low can your brain be? You cannot chop me that kind of mugu. You cannot be collecting money and be telling me, oh, I am wise, I should be singing I am wise. You cannot. You dare not try it. Ngozi onye bụ the mugu. Gị nwa na onwe gị ghọọ wise man. Wise man kọrọ onwe gị aka. Kelechukwu, clap for yourself. Well done. You cannot. I am a man of Jews. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. O nwere ozu emere mba mo bịara ebe a nke sị na ya ọ bụ ọdụnọtọ uso keke. Zuzuru gị shi ebe a pụọ, a na-ekwu okwu ndị dị ndụ, gị onwe gị na onwe gị pụta. Ka ọ eriri shi ebe a pụọ, you don't have eyes. Kedu ihe is a crime? Lee phone, oya, call the phone. Plus 30, plus 45, plus 45, 31, 85, 50, 93. But that number now. Grab that crime. Let us see that crime. Now. Talk it as it they happen. That crime of Simon Ekpa. Plus 45, 31, 85, 50, 93. For that number, let us see that evil of Simon Ekpa. Oh, you don't have eyes. Look at Mazen Namdekano here telling you, let me play it so that you will know. Let me play it. Atopum kota korok egoshi yoko hape de ka emenegene atoriano. Mazen Namdekano telling you that na yo ye Nigeria egwu na yo jidego ha na skrutum. Na yo ye Nigeria egwu. Why they have him? And you are there gossiping. When people are fighting for freedom, ndị na-akọ asịrị na-akọ asịrị. Ị nọ n'ebe a na-akọ asịrị. Ebe a na-akọ asịrị ka a na-enweta gị.
We have come to do what the class of 67 to 70 couldn't do very gallantly, of course. We have come to commence a war that will last forever and ever until Biafra comes. That is one thing you must understand. Once we commence, we never ever stop. If we have to fight a war for 1,000 years, so be it. Once we start, we will never ever stop until Biafra comes. All our enemies will hunt them down. We are all over the...
So once we stop, this is 2020. Before the advent, he was preparing a ground of 2021, which commence. Once we stop, we will no longer stop. Once we start, we will no longer stop. Is this not? And that was the time that men are being trained. These are used to boost the morale of people. And you are here talking rubbish. You are here talking rubbish. Once we start, we will no longer stop. We will not stop once we start. This is Mazen Namdekan. And ask them, why are they stopping? Have you gotten the freedom? This is 2020 preaching, which was used as a literary ground. They can kick off December, but full time 2021. December 2020, they don't kick off. 2021, culture rock. Tore. Biana sayo na amaha keshi we tore. Anako dera uko ako. Toroya. Toronwa nke mmadanye. Once we start, we will no longer stop. Mazen Namdekano said, I will not go anywhere. I will draw them to the Biafra territory. Olu will be a valley to them. And since that prophecy, have you defeated Olu? How many armored tanks did they bring recently in Nilu? I do not support violence here, please. I explain my people are defending themselves against impunity, against rascality, against terrorism. My people are defending themselves. Very gallantly they are doing so. And some people, we are non-violence. We are non-violent. What you people need is to go and release Mazen Namdekano. Not anything. For all your bullshit doesn't matter. None of your bullshit matters anything. It doesn't change a fly. Because the people, every day by day, people are becoming determined to free themselves. Oh, come put armor the tank. You have been bringing armor the tank. Do you know how much you lose? The other time, the chief of army staff was crying. Na ihe ha na agbapo one bomb ha toro $200,000. Imagine them. $200,000. How much do you have in Zoological Republic? And you still want to continue throwing $200,000 agone bundi mother. Whereas you have people saying, if we leave, there will be nowhere to throw $200,000. If you times $200,000 by 5, it will be giving you up to something. If we leave, there will be nowhere for you to throw $200 and something thousand. Leave these people for them to go, so that you manage your own. But you prefer for you to throw $200 and something. All of you are having milk, but that is brain. Go and ask Okpontunuruagu. The money that he collected in order to sabotage his own people, that is the reason why Chineke ji akpọ ya ọkụ abụghị ọnụ. Nwoke dere ndụ na-eli ike n'ike. Go and ask him. He knows what I'm talking about. Those around him gives me his information day after day. You know, one of the things about Emmanuel Oremijus is that you will not know what I know. You don't know me, but I will know you. Say what is happening even in your Ike. I am Emmanuel Oremijus. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. You must go and follow me, please, on Remijus TV. Do that accordingly. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. And from me, from here, with the love in my heart, I will keep on doing so till Biafra come and beyond. Because what we are doing is not buying of anyone. What we are doing is freedom. I listen to the lies, propaganda, and deceit. Yesterday that they put my account down, the criminal in Aba did 4 programs, thinking that, oh, let me do program. The person that, the problem that we have, again, will not come again. There is nowhere. You lie. Emmanuel Oremijus is always here. I am always here. I go nowhere. I am always here to expose you. Today, my eyes in his platform waited for him to come. There is no lie again for him to throw. Because any lie you lie, I will bring it on this very platform and splash it on your face. You don't lie and lie. I'm too educated for this nonsense that your people are doing.